The Nigel Sylvester AJ1s. Why did I sleep? What's good, guys? Ash Bash back again with another episode of Ash Bash Waffles on. And today's subject is, how do you decide what sneakers to pick up? Tough times for all of us sneakerheads at the moment. With it being Creptember as well. I don't know if you've been following like Offspring's little thing, but it's been a madness. There's just so much coming out. How do you decide what to go for is super tough task at the moment. Because obviously, I don't know about you guys, but I ain't got endless money. I sometimes feel like I pretend that my bank account isn't what it is, and it's gonna come back again. Surely I'm gonna get paid next month. It's gonna work out, but shit's crazy at the moment. Let's be honest. So let's look at September itself. We've got like, I think it's 3 or 4 Prestos coming out. The Nike Element 87. There's 4 pairs of those coming out. There was the JTH Bio Beige, the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. There was the Skeptors came out. There was this normal Air Max Deluxe that came out. There's the Pompidou Air Max 1s. There's supposedly the Off-White Blazers possibly coming out this month. It is crazy. We can't moan because obviously we want these sneakers to come out. We want pairs. I've said before, I wish they spread it out a little bit more. But it's like, how do you decide what to go for? With a lot of these sneakers like the Yeezys being so expensive, you can't even like jump in and just say, yeah, I get that, I get that, I get that. Because whereas before you could get like 2 pairs for like £200, now it's like 1 pair is £250. So that makes it even more crazy. Like, I look back at my collection from this year. I don't even want to look back really. I don't even want to think about how many I've picked up. I try and pretend that didn't happen. But I was looking back and thinking, there's been some pairs that I've not gone for. What could I have actually dropped from my collection and I could have went for them instead, just to make the money sort of add up. And I was thinking, there was obviously the Nigel Sylvester Air Jordan 1s. I don't know why, I kind of regret that. I saw someone wearing them on Saturday and I was like, so fire, why did I do that? But yeah, I was a BMX guy growing up, literally got my first non-BMX bike in like 2009 or something. No, maybe it's 2011, something like that. So I've been a BMX guy all up until then. So it'd have been a nice touch to have them BMX inspired AJ1s, but I didn't do it. There was the LeBron, John Elliott's. I think I've told the story before about how I got shagged in sneakers and stuff. Someone just walked in and bought my size right behind my back. And there's been a couple other pairs that I've just said no to, put it on the back burner. But in reality, I'd probably love to have those in my collection still. But in the John Elliott LeBron case, they were super expensive. And to be fair, they actually, if I want a pair, I can get them right now. They're still available on some sites. I think BSTN still has them at the moment, but they're big bucks. They were 200 again, big price. So that's kind of a put off. I think the price kind of put me off both of them because while I like them a lot and I'd love to have them, it felt like another AJ1 and they were like premium price. It's like 150 for the Nigel Sylvester. So I was like, ooh, don't know if I'm going to do it. But looking at what I've picked up, what would I replace if I could? Honestly, the Nike Element 87, if I didn't have that in my collection, I don't think I would cry about it. While I think the shoe is a dope concept, the whole translucent upper is dope. On feet, they look dope. I actually wore them the other day and they look super dope. I had so many looks and stuff. But that upper is just weird. It doesn't stretch. It's not the most comfortable upper of all time. Like the React stuff is great and all that. I wear Reacts to work every day and I love React soles, but the upper is not amazing. That's why this new collab, I was into it at first, but after wearing my pair again for like an extended time, I think this is the last pair that I'll be getting, unless I try on another size and maybe they fit a bit better, but I don't think it's for me. So I would bring them back. I bought a GR pair of Asics. While GRs are no issue with GRs at all, did I need them? Not really, so I could have done without those. What else did I buy? That's it, that's the thing. Everything else pretty much I've really wanted. And it was either sort of bargain prices. Like the Asics, they were like £30–40. It's not like it's gonna change a thing. It's not the same as me buying the John Elliott's for 200 or the Nigel Sylvester's for 150. So it's I don't even know what I would trade between the two kind of thing, but at the moment, when I'm deciding what I want to get, I sort of focus on, okay, this is number one. This I will get if I can't get that. This I have to get. This one, okay, maybe it's not going to sell out, so I can copy it later. It's like mental maths or sneaker maths of what's going on, but it's crazy times. Creptember is madness. I've copped already the Bio Beige and some other stuff, but the Presto, see, lucky for me, I'm gassed now that I think about it, because the Element 87 I'm not interested in. The acronym Prestos I'm not interested in. I like the old ones, but in general, not really. It's only really been the Off-White Prestos that have got me to want a pair of Prestos, to be fair. So I can sort of, I think I can call off the end of this month, I think. Although the MX1 Pompidou, kind of fire, kind of want them. But are they gonna fly? Who knows? They might be easy to get shoe as well. Look at the Currys on shelves. I can't remember the name of the Air Max 1. The Air Max 1 prints, those are still on shelves and they're like £69 now. So I don't know. Tell me, as I said, I'm waffling on. This is what it's all about. But yeah, tell me how you decide which sneakers to go for, and like, how do you budget all out and stuff? Do you just say to yourself, okay, I've got 300 for the month and I've got to do what I can do with it and just prioritize shoes? Or luckily for us, we take L's naturally, because so many resellers and so many people buying kicks these days, it just makes it easy for us to not spend money, because it's hard for us to actually give these companies our money because it's so hard to get in the first place. But I don't know. Tell me down in the comments. I'll be in there with you. Let's chat away. Anywho, follow me on Instagram, Ashbash Sneakers, Twitter as Perfection7. More videos like this every single Monday. Sneaker reviews as and when I pick stuff up. I'm out. Radio.